Let's jump into this explainer. Honestly, your professional survival is literally on the line right now.
Think back to old job listings. Remember those rigid, set-in-stone requirements they used to demand?
Well, that brings up a huge question. Are you still coasting on those exact same old skills? Because if you compare those dusty old requirements to today's crazy fast tech landscape, it's wild. Tech isn't just moving forward anymore. The speed is absolutely explosive, disrupting everything we thought we knew. So here is your jarring reality check. The whole game changed, and it happened practically overnight. And the brutal consequence? Those skills you spent literal years mastering, yeah, they're becoming totally obsolete. If you aren't constantly leveling up, the modern workforce is going to label you outdated in a heartbeat. It's crazy. It now takes just a couple of short years to go from expert to entirely irrelevant. The only way out? A relentless daily hustle to learn new skills. You've got to start immediately. To survive this massive shift, the number one rule is brutally simple. You have to adapt fast.
So what's it going to be? Are you going to adapt fast, or are you going to become obsolete?